Welcome to Unpacked. To kick things off, I want to introduce you to a product that I absolutely love, one that I use all the time, in fact. They may be small, but they sure are mighty. Meet the next generation of our incredible earbuds, Galaxy Buds Pro.
Here are Galaxy Buds Pro, the most immersive sound experience on Galaxy Buds. The foundation of our Galaxy Buds lineup is amazing sound, and Galaxy Buds Pro are packed with pro sound quality. Galaxy Buds Pro come with the most intelligent active noise cancellation on true wireless earbuds, so you can transition seamlessly between your universe and the world around you.
When building Galaxy Buds Pro, engineers were inspired by the highest quality audio devices around, speakers. SiP minimizes the size of each chip and organizes them into dense stacks to integrate all parts into a single component for more optimal use of space. This breakthrough in engineering enables the Galaxy Buds Pro to feature two-way speakers. What really takes audio to the next level is active noise canceling. The Galaxy Buds Pro uses its outer mic to monitor ambient noise and its inner mic to monitor noise inside your ear. Based on these noise readings, the advanced chipset generates an anti-noise signal and eliminates up to 99% of background noise in real time, letting you enjoy only the sounds you want to hear. But as much as we love being immersed in our own worlds, we need to be able to connect with the world around us. Enter Intelligent Active Noise Control. With Intelligent ANC, as soon as you start to speak, a microphone detects for your voice while a sensor detects for vibrations. An advanced AI algorithm then ensures your voice isn't mistaken for other voices to confirm you're in a conversation.
Hey, how you doing? Can I get a shot of espresso with an extra boosted caramel and an extra shot of vanilla?
And with improved latency, ambient sound on the Galaxy Buds Pro will sound more clear and natural than ever before. Intelligent ANC lets you hear and interact with your environment while your earbuds are still on for a truly seamless transition from immersion to communication. One aspect of sound that's often overlooked is call quality. Buds Pro are designed with a voice pickup unit and 3 microphones to maximize call clarity. Once the voice pickup unit detects your voice, 2 outer mics positioned directly toward the mouth perform beamforming. Beamforming funnels your voice directly to the mic to minimize external noise and amplify your voice. There's even a built-in solution to help you get around one of the most common pain points when on a call: wind. In design, the earbud itself has been reimagined with a more closed fit. At the hardware level, an outer mesh combines with an inner wind chamber to disperse and further neutralize wind. Finally, advanced software distinguishes between voice and wind sound patterns to ensure no leftover breeze makes its way into a call.
Auto Switch lets Galaxy Buds Pro switch with you. If you're watching something on your tablet and your phone rings, don't rush around. Galaxy Buds Pro will easily switch audio to the device you're using. We carefully studied the shape and contour of the ear to make Galaxy Buds Pro fit more securely. They're designed to sit just right within 3 key parts of your ear. We also added a 2mm vent to the outer shell of the buds to create airflow and balance the pressure around your ear, so you'll have a balanced fit without the feeling of tightness. And at IPX7, the Galaxy Buds Pro have the highest standard of water resistance in the Galaxy Buds lineup. If you have a pair of Buds Live, we've made sure you can still use your accessories. You can get your own pair of Galaxy Buds Pro in 3 amazing colors. They'll be available for $199, starting January 15th. With incredible sound quality, intelligent ANC, and our most secure fit ever, Galaxy Buds Pro will transform your listening experience. The smartphone is one of our most helpful and most personal devices, so we've expanded one of our favorite services to help keep track of the things that matter most to you. SmartThings Find. We've made our web service even easier to use, and we brought the service to your phone by adding it to our SmartThings app. SmartThings Find has given you peace of mind when it comes to locating your phone. Last October, we extended it to help you track and locate your wireless earbuds, tablets, and smartwatches. And this year, we're expanding SmartThings Find even further, so you can track any of your belongings, even if they don't have a built-in connection, with Galaxy SmartTag. Galaxy SmartTag allows you to take charge of your everyday belongings in an extraordinary way. It's a small, portable device you'll be able to easily attach to the things you love most. And its coin-sized battery lasts for months. And if you have trouble finding your SmartTag, you'll be able to ring it and follow the sound. Remote tracking services can help you locate your possessions to the nearest block or building. But wouldn't it be great if you could find the precise location of your lost item? With Galaxy SmartTag Plus, you can. Galaxy SmartTag Plus will help you locate your belongings with unprecedented accuracy by guiding you to their location. They'll take you to the bookcase in the corner of your office that your keys fell behind. You can get a SmartTag on January 29th, and you'll be able to get a SmartTag Plus later this year.
I am so proud to introduce our new flagship device, the Galaxy S21.
I'm so excited to finally be able to tell you about the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus. We've created a contra-cut design by combining the camera shell with the frame of the phone, covering the camera fully in metal. This camera housing is stronger and more durable than when it was covered in glass, and we've created color combinations that stand out. Galaxy S21 comes in 4 colors, while S21 Plus comes in 3. Today, we've made another leap forward, building the S21 series with an adaptive screen that goes between 48 and 120 Hertz. Whether you're scrolling through your social feed or photo gallery, your viewing experience is optimized for your content. The contrast ratio and unbelievable peak brightness let you enjoy all the vivid colors in the content you're watching, even if you're outside on a really bright sunny day. Our new Eye Comfort Shield analyzes your usage pattern to automatically adjust your blue light filter. Whether you choose Galaxy S21 and its 6.2-inch display, or the S21 Plus and its 6.7-inch display, you will get the most advanced, intelligent display we've ever put on a smartphone. We built these phones with our toughest front glass ever. That kind of intelligence turns everyday photography into an epic experience. And it's all possible with the computing power of Galaxy S21's brand new processor. The AI solution on S21 and S21 Plus gives you an incredible visual experience in most third-party camera apps like Instagram and Snapchat. With 8K Video Snap, you can pull photos from your videos at 33 megapixels, so your screen caps will look like portraits. Single Take on the S21 series will change the way you take videos by enabling you to shoot photos and videos all at once. Just hold the camera for up to 15 seconds, and your phone does all the thinking for you. We've engineered our chipset to give you more. We're delivering 20% faster CPU, 35% faster GPU, and 2 times faster AI. And S21 and S21 Plus will last all day, even in a 5G network. One UI 3 is easy to use, customizable, and aesthetically pleasing. S21 will be available starting at $799, and S21 Plus starting at $999. Both models can be yours on January 29th. S21 and S21 Plus are breakthroughs in smartphone technology. Introducing Galaxy S21 Ultra.
We built S21 Ultra with our most powerful processor, amazing display, and of course, our incredible pro-grade camera, so you never miss a single moment. Our 4 cutting-edge lenses give you an enhanced visual experience. The 108 megapixel wide lens broadens the scope of what you can capture. The 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens adds more detail to every picture you take. And with our enhanced AI, the brand new dual tele-lens system creates a breakthrough in zoom quality.
The Galaxy S21 Ultra's powerful camera experience starts with its upgraded 108 megapixel image sensor. Space zoom on the Galaxy S21 Ultra is a turning point in the zoom experience, offering superb clarity between 1 and 100 times zoom. At one push of the shutter, up to 20 frames are captured and processed at instantaneous speeds. Advanced AI then evaluates and corrects thousands of fine details to produce detailed images even at high magnification levels.
Our S21 Ultra will let you shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second with every lens on your phone. Phantom Black is our boldest color yet. This powerful device has a 6.8-inch display with a peak brightness of 1,500 nits. We're introducing Wacom technology to S21 Ultra and making it the first ever S-Series device compatible with the S Pen. We're introducing two new independent S Pens today. The standard model, now bigger with a more comfortable grip, and the more advanced S Pen Pro. The S Pen Pro lets you take advantage of all the great Bluetooth features you've come to love, like using air actions to snap a photo remotely, control your music player, or click through a presentation. The S Pen for S21 Ultra will be available at launch, and the S Pen Pro will be available later this year. S21 Ultra is the only model in the S21 series compatible with the S Pen. You can get your very own Ultra device on January 29th for $11.99, and you'll be able to make it truly your own and choose among 3 gorgeous backplate colors that match the unique camera deco pattern. If you choose the S21 Plus, you can pick between 2 stunning colors with a delicate rose gold shell. These colors will be available exclusively from Samsung.com in select countries.
Your S21 device will come with a USB-C cable that's compatible with many of your other devices. And our chargers will remain available for anyone who wants one at the new, lower price.
Thank you again for watching Unpacked today.